Today we got some pork loin ribs and some nice belly. We're gonna make the belly into some bacon and we're gonna dry rub these bad boys up. Dry rub I made. And I'm just gonna throw it on. Make sure to get it good on everything. Put that to the side for now, and we're gonna get started on our belly. The ribs, I guess they're pretty straightforward, right? Just take them, rub them down. Next, belly. Nice piece of pork belly. We're gonna make this into bacon. You just want to trim up the belly a little bit. Anything that doesn't look good, cut it. Next, we gotta take the skin off. Just want to get right under that skin and just kind of work the knife. Skin removed. We're left with this. Although it's not exactly the best piece of belly, but the good thing is we have another one curing. We'll get to that in a little bit. Next thing, just want to throw on some curing solution I got here, or I don't know what the hell you want to call it. Curing powder, curing mix. It's just sugar, salt, brown sugar. That's it. Throw it on top of here, nice. Make sure you coat it all up. Alright. Over here for now. This skin. Yeah, we're gonna save that for later and make something special. Now it's time to show you where I'm putting the rest of this stuff. This would be my meat fridge. We got the bacon we just started curing. We got some nice meat there I've been curing. It's gone about 20 days now. It's got a little more longer to go. We got the ribs we just seasoned. I like to let those sit a couple days before I smoke them. And I got some other bacon that I've been doing for a little while now. It's almost a week. I'm gonna do that when I smoke these ribs. Alright? Currently. Very nice. Alright. Let's get these coals going so we can eat. Right. Our chimney is ready to go, nice and warm. Alright, the smoker is now together. It's getting hot. This is the best feature of my smoker right here. You see that? Can you tell how hot it is? All I know is it's warm, ideal, and hot. I usually like to cook in the ideal section around the I and D. Yeah. Good stuff. Alright, we're kind of right around where I want to be. So I'm going to throw these ribs on. Alright, I'm going to throw on a chunk of applewood for now. Let's start getting smoky. Alright, been about an hour, so now we are going to check our ribs. I'm going to rotate them and throw bacon on. Put our belly on there. And you know what? There we go. A couple extra little something, just because. Another little chunk This time we're gonna use a little cherry wood, and be back out here in an hour. Check it out again. So our meat is done. Checked it with the thermometer. Everything is beautiful. These ribs are at about 198, 199. And the bacon is just over 150. And these, well, whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna take them off and let them rest a little bit. Before I do this, I want to know your opinion. Me, personally, I grill in any weather. Whether it's cold out like now, or hot in the summer, or snowing, thunderstorms, I don't care. This extension of my kitchen. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, without further ado, looking good, looking lovely. These little things right here might as well be like leather, but eat them anyway. The time has come. Guess we'll start with, I don't know, this little thing this little boneless pork chop. Why? Because, I don't know, there is in my fridge. I don't know. Tastes like a piece of pork jerky, huh? Cut the ribs. Looks beautiful. Falling apart. Definitely good. Alright, time to cut the bacon. Nice thick slab of bacon right there. Beautiful. It's a nice day out. It's about 30 now. We can get down and enjoy these ribs. And if you guys like what you see, subscribe, like it, please comment, let me know what you think. Till next time, cheers.